What if your next 4K home theater didn't need a massive room, or even a TV? LG's latest innovation just changed the game again. Introducing the LG CineBeam S Mini Ultra Short Throw 4K Projector, model PU615U, officially launched globally following its CES 2025 debut. Now available for pre-order in Australia, the UK, and Canada, this compact smart projector is engineered for stunning performance in tight spaces. Don't let the size fool you. Measuring just 6.3 by 6.3 by 4.3 inches, the CineBeam S Mini fits in the palm of your hand, but throws up a 100-inch 4K image from just a few inches away. Thanks to its ultra-short throw ratio of 0.25 to 1, it's perfect for minimalist living rooms, studios, or small apartments. Under the hood, LG packs a 3-channel RGB laser light source, delivering 500 ANSI lumens of brightness and 154% DCI 3P color coverage. You get HDR10, filmmaker mode, and a breathtaking 450,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio, bringing cinema-quality visuals to your wall or screen. And the sound? Built-in stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support deliver rich, room-filling audio. No soundbar required. Plus, with WebOS 24, you're one click away from Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV, and more. Mirror your content wirelessly with Apple AirPlay 2 or Miracast. No cables necessary. For physical connections, LG includes 2 USB-C ports and an HDMI eARC port for high-fidelity audio and video. Smart tools like auto screen adjustment, scaling, and wall color adaptation mean the projector fine-tunes itself, so you don't have to. In Australia, the CineBeam S Mini is priced at 2,499 Aussie dollars, shipping mid-August. In the UK, pre-orders are live for £1,099 with stock landing in September. Still no word on the US release, but with its global rollout underway, it's only a matter of time. A projector that fits in your hand, transforms your wall, and replaces your TV. The LG CineBeam S Mini isn't just a projector, it's your next-gen home theater in a box. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.